Unlocking the meaning of prosperous. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language lesson. We're going to uncover the full meaning of a word that's often heard in conversations about success and wealth, prosperous. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to use this word but also be able to spot it in various contexts. So, let's dive in and enrich your English vocabulary together. The word prosperous is an adjective which describes a state of being successful, usually by having financial wealth and abundance. When someone or something is prosperous, they're thriving or flourishing economically. A prosperous person, business, or society is one that's well off and continuing to do well. It's often associated with not just money but also the quality of life and sustainability of success over time. Now, let's put prosperous into action. Here are some examples. After years of hard work, her business is now very prosperous. The prosperous era of the 1920s was followed by the Great Depression. They live in a prosperous neighborhood with lots of amenities. His goal is to build a prosperous future for his family. Notice how prosperous can describe different entities and time periods? It's a versatile word with a positive connotation. Understanding where prosperous comes from can help us appreciate its usage. The word is derived from the Latin word prosperous, which means doing well. The root pro means for and is often indicative of support or favorability, while spur relates to hope or success. So, someone who is prosperous is receiving the favors of fortune, success, and hope. Synonyms are words with similar meanings, and they're great for expanding your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for prosperous: affluent, wealthy, thriving, flourishing, successful, booming. Using synonyms can help you avoid repetition and make your speech or writing more interesting. Just as important as synonyms are antonyms, words that mean the opposite. The antonym of prosperous is impoverished, poor, struggling, declining. Knowing antonyms helps you understand the full range of English vocabulary regarding social and economic conditions. I hope this exploration of prosperous has given you a clearer understanding of how to use the word and its place in the English language. Remember, a prosperous person isn't just wealthy but is also enjoying a sustainable and thriving state of success. Use this word to describe more than just financial success, but also well-being and abundance in various aspects of life. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more enriching lessons on English language learning. Happy learning, and may your days be prosperous.